baker works. Hi guys, no baking tutorial today. Instead we will discuss the difference of baked from no-baked cheesecake. What is no-baked cheesecake? No-baked cheesecake, as the name implied, is not baked. It is simply refrigerated, from where it gets its name, chilled cheesecake. No-baked cheesecake does not employ eggs, flour or other thickening agents that help them bake, but contains certain amounts of gelatin instead. No-baked cheesecake features custard-like texture and is often light and airy. Some of the most popular no-baked cheesecakes are found in Australia, United Kingdom, Germany and Ireland. What are the differences between baked and no-baked cheesecake? While cheesecake may be a favorite dessert among many, each person has their own preferences between baked and no-baked cheesecakes. While almost the same ingredients are used in both the cakes, the nature of the two is distinctly different, thereby helping to identify them more easily. Baked cheesecake is baked in a water bath or an oven. No-baked cheesecake is chilled in a refrigerator. Baked cheesecake contains eggs and flour, which help set the cake. No-baked cheesecake often does not have such thickening ingredients but includes gelatin instead, which helps make it set. Baked cheesecake is dense and velvety. No-baked cheesecake is light and airy. No-baked cheesecake is ideal for layering. Baked cheesecake cannot be set into odd-shaped baking molds since the mixture tends to stick to the mold. For me, I prefer baked over no-baked cheesecake, but it doesn't mean that no-baked cheesecake is no good. It's great. You can layer no-baked cheesecake batter with mousse, ganache, jelly, and whatnot to create a layered dessert. It's just a matter of preference. If you enjoyed the video, please hit like and subscribe. Also hit the bell button so that you will be notified once we upload a new video. Thank you for watching.